Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well, and welcome to another video. And in today's video I'm going to share with you a Black Friday bargain which I've bought for the campervan. I'll just reset the camera. So as we can see then, this is a microwave oven. And I purchased this for £35 from Asda. So this is one of their Black Friday deals. Now this is only a small microwave. I don't need any all singing or dancing microwave with zillions of functions. I just need something which is basic. So this is a 700 watt microwave and the capacity is 17 litres, so this is perfectly adequate for my needs. I don't need a really powerful all singing or dancing microwave because I'm not going to be using it ever so regularly. This is just going to be for occasional use. The capacity for this microwave is 17 litres. So it's just a basic little microwave. It's digital, so it'll do everything which I need to do. In other words, just heat up food, you know, beans, curries, that sort of thing. I won't be making anything too fancy. There's a 2-year guarantee with this. So I've got a stack of stoves, you know, to do my cooking on, that sort of thing. But it's a convenience thing, isn't it, really? That's the thing about microwaves, they're convenient. So as we can see, it's black in colour. As I say, it is digital, so you haven't got the round control knobs, you've just got the little buttons to press lock. So yeah, it will do all the basic stuff which I need. It doesn't need to be any more complicated than it is. So that's more than adequate for my purposes. So like I say, that cost £35 from Asda. It's one of their own brands, George Home. And yeah, there we go, look. So 11 power settings, touch panel, quick start function, features defrost setting. Okay, so you can defrost stuff as well, which may come in handy. So look, you know, that's just another handy piece of equipment for the campervan. So at the back here, we have the plug. So this is obviously a 240 volts. So the cable then I'd say is about 80 to 100 centimetres long. So in other words, I'd say it's the best part of a metre. So more than adequate for my purposes. Right folks, so just a very quick video today then showcasing the latest addition to my campervan kitchen. So it just goes to show that if you don't need a top quality piece of equipment, if it isn't something you're going to be relying on a daily basis, if it's something which isn't going to be subject to intensive use, then you don't need to spend a fortune. This little microwave would be more than adequate for my purposes. It would just be used for, you know, reheating food or cooking some basic food. I can do some lovely curries in this, all that good stuff. Okay, so if you're in the market for something like this, it might be worth checking out if you have access to a local Asda store. And yeah, that's it really. But just one other thing, you might think to yourself, well, okay, caveman, all well and good, it appears to be a very good buy, but if it's got a 3-pin plug, then it needs to go in a household socket, and you'd be absolutely right for thinking that. Now, I don't have a household socket in this van, but there's an easy solution to that, and that will be the subject of one of my forthcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me again. Bye bye.